Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Lexus Pursuits credit card. And you can see right here, a lot of people was able to get approved. Someone said they got approved for 6,000. Another person said 3,000, 3,000, 2,500 for both of those. And then this is my favorite comment. Thank you so much for even leaving this comment. I got approved for the Lexus credit card, but I got denied for the Toyota, because what I realized was that it was a certain order that you have to apply for these credit cards in, because you was able to get this credit card. Plus I have the Toyota credit card, which is at the bottom and is in the similar credit card section. You were able to get both of the credit cards, which was really amazing because these can actually help a lot with people that have utilization problems. But you was able to get both of the credit cards, and that's what I really liked about it. And let me see, I actually can find that comment for you all. Now, if this is your first time watching our videos, I talk a lot about credit. I talk about really getting approved for the credit that's best for you. That's the thing. I like to make sure that it's something that's going to be best for you and you get approved for something that you can actually use. So these are a few of the screenshots. Let me see if I can find it, because I want to make sure I tell you all, because I told the other people what to do in the other video when it came out. Okay, so here it is right here. So someone said that you was able to basically, at the last comment, you see it all the way at the bottom? Yeah, the same thing happened to me. They said apply for the Toyota card first. So if you apply for the Toyota card first, you'll get the Toyota card, and then you come and apply for the Lexus Pursuit, you'll get approved for this one also. So that means you guys can definitely get 2 approvals, which is amazing. And I seen on here too some more approvals. Somebody said they was able to get pre-qualified for the credit card with a $2,000 limit. So you're very welcome. So I always tell people to definitely try these cards, because they can help with your utilization. Or if someone also put on here too with the Toyota credit card, they use that as a down payment. They got approved for it and they use it as a down payment for that card, which is very amazing. Especially with the Toyota, with them having like 0% interest. They have different things like that. That was definitely amazing. So let's actually finish checking out the blog. This is on my website, Rickita.com. And again, this is the Lexus Pursuits, because I've kind of been talking about Toyota. Now you can use your credit card for multiple things, and that's going to be service, parts, accessories. And then they have everyday spending categories. My biggest thing when it came down to this one, because I wouldn't be using, like, I don't have a Lexus, but my thing was when I got approved for this one, or people that want to get approved for it, use it for the utilization purposes. Use it for the overall utilization purposes. Get approved for it. Let it show up on your credit reports. And if you guys have problems with utilization, it can help you increase your credit score, and then now you can go ahead and get approved for 0% APR credit cards, and you can actually pay down those 0% APR credit cards. So definitely check it out. Now, there's no annual fee for it. They do give out higher limits, which is amazing, and you guys can pre-qualify for it without a hard inquiry. Now, when I did this one, now I'm thinking about it, when I actually did this one, or was at the Toyota, they asked for certain things. So let me actually go to the website, because I want to show you guys the different things that they may ask for when it come down to this credit card. So click the apply. And that's good, because Toyota, I think they asked to open up 4 different bureaus, and I was like, oh my gosh, they need to look at a lot to approve you. But my computer is kind of slow, so please bear with me as it's pulling it up. But I think they asked for like Lexus Nexus to be open. Make sure you don't have a freeze on that. Experian and Equifax, those are the bureaus, and I think Sage Stream too, or no, Innovis or Innovis, whichever one you want to call it, Innovis. Those are the bureaus. So I definitely tell people, it don't look like this wants to actually load. I definitely tell people, if they're telling you that they want you to have all these on frozen, basically they may actually pull them. You just want to be very careful with it. And I just cannot pull up the website. It's like it don't want to load. Come on now. Okay, here we go. We got action now. Okay, so here it is right here. So if your credit is frozen, you need to lift the freeze to continue. Now look what they asked for: Equifax, Experience, Innovis, and then SageStream / Lexus Nexus. So they're telling you they want you to make sure that you do not have a freeze on all of these different bureaus. And I've been seeing a lot of companies ask about SageStream. This may be a bureau that we all need to look into going forward. If you're having a hard time getting approved, this may be one of the bureaus you're going to have to look into, because too many companies are asking people to unfreeze it. But to actually see if you can get approved for it, then you need to put your phone number, last for your social, and then your zip code in. And again, just think about it. They're pulling Equifax and Experian. You don't know which one they're really going to pull. They may even pull both to approve you for this one. So just keep that in mind when it comes down to this credit card. They may actually want to pull both of them. But if you guys are having a hard time getting approved, definitely check out my exclusive credit membership. It is $1 trial, and these are actual results for the people that's inside of my membership. I'm actually going to put a pause on my membership soon so that I can focus on the people that I already have within my membership. And right now, these are the prices. They are subject to change. It's March of 2025 while I'm recording this. So, you may be coming to watch this at another time. There may be a waiting list. If there's a waiting list for my credit membership, I definitely will be able to add more people soon. I just want to make sure that I focus on who I already have at the moment. And then also my Credit 101. I created this course for people that need to learn about credit. It's over 200 videos. I have dispute letters, worksheets, guides, and checklists. I have all these different things available to you all. So definitely check it out. And it's $1 trial for this also. So definitely check that out. Now, similar credit cards. I put Toyota credit card on here. Remember, you apply for Toyota first, and then you do the Lexus Pursuit, and then you got both of them. And then Yamaha Financial Services, I also added that on here because I think it's similar. I believe it's with the same company I believe it's the same bank that they use too. So you may go through the same process. And also the Discover A cashback. This is overall great credit card. Now, I do have different lists of credit cards. So if you guys are looking for specific credit cards, such as credit cards that can pre-qualify you without already acquiring, credit cards that don't care that you have bad credit because they'll still approve you, I got a list for you all. If you're trying to build your credit, you want credit cards that's great for gas. If you spend a lot of money on gas, rewards, cashback, students, the best credit cards in general, and the best credit cards for travel. Definitely check out those different lists. We have the 6 months of free dispute letters. I brought this back because I've seen a lot of people like this. So what we do is we'll create 6 months of free letters for you. We'll email them to you, or we can mail them out on our end. And again, all you have to do is follow the 5 steps here. The 5th step is to just call us. And then if you want us to mail them out on our end, just let us know and we can mail them out for you. And if you're already a part of the exclusive credit membership, don't worry about it, because as long as you had a membership, we'll actually mail out letters for you for free. You don't have to worry about it. So definitely, if you don't have a membership, you can actually get the membership also. Whichever one you want to do, as long as you guys make sure if you start working to remove those negative, inaccurate accounts from your credit reports, you guys will be fine. And make sure you send all your letters certified mail. I got to make sure I say this in all of the videos. So make sure that you all are sending everything out certified mail. This is going to be very, very important, especially when you guys are having a hard time with the companies. You want to send everything certified mail so that it can be tracked. Now, if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys call me. You can call me at 833-Rickita. Me or somebody on my team will be able to help you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments if you guys are able to get approved. Bye-bye.